Hi, today I want to talk about the places you can go to find information on your top six. So this is essentially if you want to go and get a full birth chart and report so you know what your top six are. I previously made another video on your top six and what it means, and if you've been following astrology TikTok, you're probably hearing about my top six this, my top six that a lot. It's just like a basic summation of like the main planets in your chart. And there are lots of places on the internet where you can go and gather that information for free. So today I'm going to go ahead and share some of those sites with you, so don't ever say I'd never give you anything. Okay, here we go. Started. All right, so the first thing I'm going to mention is Astromatrix horoscope, and this one is less about your birth chart and more of an analysis of your personality, so I wanted to get that one out of the way. So it's more of looking at your astrology information and giving you data about your personality traits as well as the best social environments for your own personal growth and development. So that one is going to be the only one that's unusual. Now onto the sites that actually create your full birth chart for you and give it to you for free. I do want to note that in order to be able to create your birth chart, you need to know your birthday, of course, specifically what time you were born, and specifically what location you were born in. All that information is used to create the coordinates on Earth at the time that your soul entered your body, at the time that you were born. So without that information, you're not going to get accurate information. So astroseek.com, that website will give you a lot of complex details. It can be a little overwhelming if you've never done anything like this before. So try to focus on what you're there for if you're not really trying to get access to a lot of information. And, let that be kind of what drives you, which is going to be your birth chart. There's also astrology.com, which has been around for a very long time. Very simple to use, easy to use. Not as busy as the previous one that I mentioned, Astro Seek, and super helpful as well, all free. And there's AstroLab, and this one, the difference with that is you do with AstroLab, in addition to getting that free birth chart, you also have the option to pay $25 to get a professional birth chart interpreter. Basically interpret the information for you and give it back to you. That's only an option. It's not something you have to do, but it's something that's an added bonus that some of the other sites don't offer. There's CoStar Astrology, which you can download as an app onto your phone. The difference with CoStar is that it is also a social networking app, and it's actually a lot of fun, and it gives you like updates. It also allows you to connect with your friends and other people that you know, so that you can get to know your community a little bit better from this point of view. There's, of course, Cafe Astrology. They've been around for a very long time. That's actually one of the sites that I first used. It's a very simple site to use and kind of cute. And then lastly, there is Chaos Astrology. So chaosastrologer.com will give you the same thing for free.